Hi, my dear cuties. How are you? Good morning, my dear cuties. Okay, dear. Today, online class you learn about the offline class you're going to learn about the mandala art using patterns. Okay, dear. Yesterday class you learned the in online class I teach about the mandala art basic things to draw the patterns. Okay, dear. Shall we continue that one? Yeah. Okay, dear. Everyone take your art note. Just draw up to I finish this layer only, baby. Outer flower shape layers. Yeah, everyone got it? Ma'am, ma'am, I feel difficult to draw the cross lines. Means better you take just a slanting line. That's also nice, cutie. Any patterns. Your wish, baby. Cross lines or straight lines, anything. That's your wish, baby. Okay, dear. Standing line or sleeping line, anything. Yeah. Everyone take pencils, eraser with you. It's visible to you. That's why I'm using the pen, baby. Otherwise, I'm using pencil only. Pencil is not visible to the video. That's why I'm choosing the pen. Okay, dear. Yeah, I finish it up to the this part. Any patterns, slanting line or sleeping line, any patterns. See here, like that. Okay, dear. Now, everyone finish this one. Again, we're going to start this layer. Circle, semicircle, like that. Semicircle. Slowly do, baby. It's not an issue. It's one way of therapy, art therapy. One main things why I'm choosing the mandala art is hand to hand coordinations. It's improve your concentration level because your focus even work only no. It's improve your concentration level. So I'm choosing the mandala art for this theme. Okay, dear, got it? Like that you have to draw. Now I'm going to draw some small circle inside. See, small circle. Like that I draw the so small circle. Yeah, like that. Small circle. Small circle. Very small circle. Inside I draw the very small circle. Like that. Okay, dear? See? Small circle. Okay, dear? Now I am going to draw the straight line. Or cross line. Any lines. Any lines. Any lines. Your wish, baby. Slanting line or sleeping line or cross line or zigzag line. Anything. It's nice, come nice only. Because you learn the different patterns I draw, no? Strills, dotted, zigzag, curve, mountain, waves. All the things have come under the patterns. Okay, dear? Is visible to you, everyone? Yeah. Now, see here. Slowly take. Slowly do, baby. Why I'm going fast means time to take the videos. That's why I'm taking time. Lot of times. You slowly do, baby. I give time for you. You finish it, maybe. No issues. Any doubt, please be free with me. Raji ma'am is always there for you, my dear cuties. Okay, dear? Like that. Okay. Now I am using here swirl, small swirl. See here, small swirl. See here, this one, small swirl. Just to scroll, small scroll. Okay, dear? Okay? Yeah. Small squirrel. Small squirrels, like you have to draw the things. Okay, dear? See? Okay? Now we want to extend the drawing also. That's your wish only. You want to extend the drawing, or ma'am this is enough for us, means just we leave it. Okay dear, shall we go? Just only one scroll here, like that. Then only your art will become nice. Like that. Like that. It visible for you babies, everyone? Yeah. I'll show the video and I share the photo for reference also dear, don't worry. Yeah, I draw my picture for a reference and video for your reference, no issues. Okay dear, see. Simple patterns. Why I'm using I'm using the slanting line and sleeping line, cross lines only baby. If you want more means you have to do everything. Zigzag curves, anything, that's your wish baby. Basically I'm using the simple one only. First time, so is no difficult for you, that's why I'm choosing the simple patterns. Next class I go with the deep. Okay dear, see here everyone. Yeah, good. Okay, any doubts please be free with me. Okay dear, I share the video and photos for your reference also my dear. Take care, drink lot of water, stay home, be healthy dear. Take care my dear cuties and my parents. Thank you, bye.